Success is not a destination, it's a journey of constant improvement and perseverance. Success is the result of disciplined daily actions, not occasional heroic efforts. Dream big, work hard, and success will be the natural outcome. The road to success is often paved with challenges. Navigate them with determination. Success is the echo of hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. To be successful, learn from your mistakes and let them guide you, not define you. Success is the intersection of preparation and opportunity. Be ready when your moment arrives. Believe in yourself, take risks, and success will be the reward of your bold endeavors. Success is not an entitlement, it's earned through resilience and a refusal to give up. Your attitude determines your altitude in the journey to success. To be successful, cultivate a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities in disguise. Strive for progress, not perfection, and success will be a constant companion. Success is not about luck, it's about making the right choices and putting in the effort. The path to success is often lonely, but the view from the top is worth the climb. Believe in your potential. Success begins with self-confidence. Success is the sweetest fruit of hard work, patience, and a positive mindset. To be successful, surround yourself with those who inspire and challenge you to be better. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out.